Okay, this is Magic Pets Stocklist, October 30th. Got our third shipment in of the week. Yellow Tang, large 6-line Wrasse, medium to large Royal Gromma, double tip and M, Agar, macroalgae. Got some African Anthias. They're still being put away, obviously. Royal Dardidac, Pacific Cleaner Wrasse, lots of rock, Yellow Tang, Copper Band Butterfly, live rock, snails, damsel tank, got some green chromis, strawberry pseudo, blue damsel, neon velvet, yellowtail damsel, big old hermit crab, damsel, yellow damsel, Royal Dardidac, lots of rock, Chaetomorpha. Here are neon velvet damsels on sale for $5.99, and a big old Coral Beauty.
Good, how are you doing? Good.
Pacific Cleaner Wrasse. No, not Pacific. Yellowtail Cleaner Wrasse, I'm sorry. Or a tomato clown. Yellow Tang. There's a Lamarck Angel in here somewhere. You should come down and see it. It's really pretty. Yellowtail Cleaner Wrasse, Yellow Angel, Yellow Tang, all kinds of good stuff.